Hello, I'm Abhishek. In this video, we are going to discuss set 3 of reasoning section of CAT 2018 slot 1 paper. So let's start with the question. Okay, the question was an ATM machine is given to us and ATM dispenses exactly rupees 5,000 rupees per withdrawal using 100, 200 and 500 rupees notes. The ATM requires every customer to give her preference for one of the three denominations of the note. If it then dispenses notes such that the number of notes of the customer's preferred denomination exceeds the total number of notes of other denominations dispensed to her. So, for example, suppose the customer prefers 200 rupee note. So, suppose I have the customer wants to have more 200 rupees note than the other denomination. So, the ATM can dispense, for example, suppose the ATM dispenses 15 200 rupees note. Then it can dispense three notes of 500 rupees and say 100 rupees ke 5 notes. So the total note of other denomination is 8 and that of preferred denomination is 50. So this is quite possible. The other case could be the machine can dispense 15 note of 200 rupees and 4 of 500 rupees. Then again the preferred denomination, number of notes of preferred denomination is more than that of other denomination. So this is the case given to us. Fine. So I hope this case must be clear to you. Now let's move to the question. So the first question is, in how many different ways can the ATM serve a customer who gives 500 rupees notes as a preference? So the preference is 500 rupees note. So we must have 500 rupees note more than the other two denominations. Now suppose I am taking 500 rupees note, I am taking 10 notes of 500 rupees. Fine. So this case is quite possible. This will make the total sum to be 5,000 rupees, and in each transaction, the ATM dispenses 5,000, exactly 5,000 rupees. So when I take 10 notes of 500 rupees, so that will make the transaction of 5,000 rupees, and the condition is also satisfied. And the number of note of preferred denomination is more than that of other denomination. Suppose we take 9 notes of 500 rupees, then along with this we can have we have completed 4,500 rupees. So we can have two notes of 200 rupees and one note of 100 rupees. Fine. We can have say one note of 200 rupees and three notes of 100 rupees. Further, we can have zero note of 200 rupees and we can take five notes of 100 rupees. Now see, here the other denomination notes, number of notes of other denomination is 3 and that of preferred denomination is 9. So 9 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 4, 9 is greater than 5. So all these are valid cases. So till now we have 4 cases. Now suppose I am taking 8 notes of 500 rupees. I am taking 8 notes. Fine. So now I have completed 4,000 rupees. Now remaining 1,000 can be completed in by 5 notes of 200 rupees or 4 note of 200 plus 2 notes of 100 or 3 notes of 200 and 4 of 100 or say 2 notes of 200 and 6 of 100. Further we can have 1 note of 200 and how many? 8 notes of 100. Still the number, acha, we cannot have this case. Why? Because the total number of notes of other denomination will then be 9, which will exceed 8. We cannot have this case as well because यहाँ पर भी 8 हो जाएगा and जो preferred denomination है वो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. ठीक है? So this case is also not preferable. So the options that we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in total we have 7 possibilities. Fine. We cannot have 7 notes of 500 rupees because इस case में 3,500 rupees ही complete होंगे और remaining 1,500 rupees यदि हम 200 की नोट से भी करते हैं तो भी एटलीस्ट हमको 7 नोट लेने पड़ेंगे और उसके साथ 100 का लेना पड़ेगा. So the total denomination के जो other denomination के note है that will exceed that of 500 denomination वाले. Fine. So only 7 cases are possible for this particular case. Moving to question number 2 of this set. If the ATM could serve only 10 customers with the stock of 500 rupees note and a sufficient number of notes of other denomination, what is the maximum number of customers among these 10 who could have given 500 rupees note as their preferences? Now see, we have 10 customers, and their preferences 500 rupees note, and we have a total of 50 500 rupee note. Fine. Now, what is the maximum number of customer among these 10 who could have given 500 rupee notes as their preference? Now, what we need to do is we need to maximize the number of people जिनको हम उनकी preference के according note दे सकते हैं. See, in the previous question itself, हमने देखा था कि जब 500 note preference होती है, so there were 3 cases. या तो हम 500 के 8 note दें, या 9 दें, और either 10 notes. So to maximize the number of people, we should give the minimum number of notes possible to each of the customer. So we should give 8 notes to each of the customer. Now we have 50 notes, and suppose if we give 8 notes to each customer, then we can easily serve 6 customers. Fine. So the correct answer to this question is we can serve 6 customers. We cannot serve more than 6. Moving to question number 3 of this set. Okay, what is the maximum number of customers that the ATM can serve with a stock of 50 500 rupees note, 50 notes of 500 rupees, and a sufficient number of notes of other denomination? If all the customers are to be served with at most 20 notes per withdrawal, now this is the condition. The upper limit is given to be 20 notes per withdrawal. Now again, the condition is that we have a limit over the number of notes, 20 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकते हैं, ठीक है? और we have 50 500 rupee note, ठीक है? तो अब हम कितने customers को serve कर सकते हैं with these notes? तो हम देखेंगे कि suppose हम 500 rupee, see the limitation is on 500 rupee note. We don't have any limitation over 100 and 200 rupee note. So can we take all the notes of 100 rupees or all the notes of 200 rupees? No. Why? Because the upper limit is given to be 20 notes. Suppose हम 20 notes ले लेते हैं सारे 200 rupees के भी, हम 500 का लेते भी नहीं है, तो भी ये this will complete only 4000 rupees. But the transaction should be of 5000 rupees, so this is not possible. So basically यदि हम 20 के suppose हम लेते हैं 16 notes, so this will become 3200, और अभी हमारे पास कितने notes remaining है? 4 notes. So we can have 3 notes of 500, that will make it 1500 more, total is 4700, but then again 1 note is remaining and we need to complete 300 rupees, which is again not possible with these denomination. Fine. So let's have how many note of this 200 rupees? Let's have 15 note of 200 rupees. Fine. And we can have 4 note of 500 rupees, that will make it 2000. Fine. And we have 15 note of 200, so that will make it 3000. So overall it would be 5000 with 19 notes only. Fine. हम इससे ज्यादा minimize नहीं कर सकते हैं. See, instead of using this 500 rupees note, in case we use 100 rupees note, then we will be exceeding this 20. है ना? The upper limit to the number of notes is 20. जब हमने सारे 200 के लिए हैं, तब भी हम 20 notes से complete नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. That means कि we have to include 500 rupees note. So at least 4 notes of 500 rupees must be included in each of the transaction. Fine. Now we have total 55 rupees note, and if we include 4 notes in each of the transactions, so the maximum number of transactions that we can successfully complete is 12. This will give us 12 point something. So 12 transactions can be completed successfully with this condition. Fine. So now let's move to last question of this set. What is the number of 500 rupee notes required to serve 50 customer? 50 customer are there, जिनकी preference is 500 rupees note, and another 50 customers जिनकी preference is 100 rupees note. If the total number of notes to be dispensed is the smallest possible, we need to minimize the total number of notes dispensed. Now see, जिनकी preference 500 rupees है, for those 50 people, can we give all the notes of 500 rupees to them? हर एक individual को if we give 10 note of 500 rupees, so that will make it 5000. तो सारे 50 individuals को यदि हम 500 rupees के 10 notes दे देते हैं, तो कितने notes हो गए? 500 notes हो चुके हैं अभी. Now जिनकी preference 100 rupees note है, ठीक है, तो देखिए suppose उनको 1 note 500 का देते हैं, ठीक है, तो हमें 100 के कितने notes देने पड़ेंगे? 45. If we are taking these 2 notes only, denomination इनके लेते हैं तो ठीक है, अब हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू मिनिमाइज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोट्स, वी नीड टू मिनिमाइज द नोट्स डिस्प्ले, टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोट डिस्प्ले। तो हमको 500 की ज्यादा नोट देने चाहिए, दैट विल मिनिमाइज द टोटल नंबर। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग वन नोट, लेट्स से वी गिव टू नोट्स, तो यहाँ पर 40 हो जाएगा। Fine. Instead, in fact, we can use 200 rupees note also. But what we need to do is we need to maximize 500 rupee note. So let's focus on that only. यदि हम 500 के 3 नोट दे देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हमारा नंबर इट इज 1500 रुपीज, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, 35 हो जाएगा। हम 4 नोट्स दे देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर हमारा नंबर विल बी हाउ मच, 30 ओनली। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि यदि हम 4 नोट्स भी दे रहे हैं, तब भी हमारा जो प्रेफरेंस है, प्रेफर्ड नोट है, वो उसी का नंबर ज्यादा है। लेट्स मैक्सिमाइज दिस वैल्यू। यदि हम 5 नोट्स देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर 25 हो जाएगा। यदि हम 6 नोट्स देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर 20 हो जाएगा। यदि हम 7 नोट्स देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर 15 हो जाएगा। यदि हम 8 नोट्स देते हैं, तो यहाँ पर 10 हो जाएगा। यदि हम 9 नोट्स देते हैं 500 रुपीज के, तो यहाँ पर 5 हो जाएगा। नाउ दिस केस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, व्हाई? बिकॉज जो प्रिफर्ड डिनोमिनेशन है, उसके नंबर ऑफ नोट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ अदर डिनोमिनेशन। सो टिल दिस पॉइंट इट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल। आपने देखा कि हमको 100 रुपी नोट ज्यादा करने हैं और ओवरऑल नोट्स को भी रिड्यूस करना है, तो 500 के मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नोट्स हमें देने पड़ेंगे, तो विच इज 8। तो जो रिमेनिंग 50 कस्टमर्स हैं, उन सबको यदि हम 8 नोट देते हैं 500 रुपीज के, तो दैट मेक्स इट 400। So total 500 के notes required is addition of these two, that is 900. So correct answer is option D, 900. So I hope ये set आपको clear होगा. Thank you so much.